Okay, so we're going to talk about GeoGebra and some of the tools that are involved in GeoGebra. First thing you'll want to do is sign into each of these activities and use your full name, because remember, we might have 55 of the same name. So please make sure you do that. All right, so we're going to start off, and our first one we have here is construct a congruent segment. All right, so we have a few different little tools. One, we have the arrow that is a selection tool. It allows you to move things around. We have an intersection tool, or finding a point on an object. And for most of these, we're going to use the intersect portion. We also have the ability to construct either a line or segment or array. We also have circle. Now, the tool that we're going to use for this particular activity is going to be our compass setting. That's going to be a key part for us. And here we have our zoom, and also we have show and hide. And we don't need a whole lot of that right now. Those are things that do come in handy later on. All right, so much like our constructions that we watched in the videos, we're going to need to use a compass. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to need to measure from point A to point B, and we need to do that by using our compass. And you see, and I actually tapped on those and actually hid that. We don't want to do that now. All right, so what we're going to do is, again, select compass, and it tells us select a segment or 2 points for radius. I'm going to select 2 points. So I'm going to select point A and point B, and you'll notice we get our circle. Now I want to take my point B, and I'm going to drag it to my point C. There we have our circle. And remember, the circle didn't change. That circle was the radius from A to B. We now need to find the intersection of our compass and our segment. And you can kind of tap pretty close, and it will almost immediately identify it. All right, now this is a line segment that we are copying. So we are going to go from this point C to our point of intersection, and it says nailed it. We've done it. We've completed our first construction using GeoGebra.